Okay, we're going to go ahead and attach a Bluetooth mouse. Go ahead and touch on go to settings, go to Bluetooth, go ahead and turn your Bluetooth mouse on, and wait. It should see it. It is on. I did put it into pairing. Okay, it does say pair. Touch on pair. There it is. It sees it. Now I'll touch on that so it'll actually pair it. Okay. It should be pairing right now. All right. Click on pair. It's pairing. It is connected. Oh, there's our mouse. Cool. We got it. We'll click on we'll go to accessibility. We'll go to pointer control right there. And just test this out. Let's see what different colors we can have. We can have white, blue, green, yellow, orange. We can change our border width. That's cool. Let's go back to pointer control. We can change the size, make it as big as we want. Make it as small as we want. I want it small, very small. And I'm going to change the color back to none. I like none. That's what I like. Go up here to there. Click on that twice. Sweep that out. That's it. Now we got a mouse and we're good to go.